What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here's my Note 10. Let me tell you how to end the call. For example, someone suddenly call you and then you're just attending the call and then suddenly someone from back come and then ask you who you're talking with. You just wanna end the call. You don't wanna go to end the call. You can easily end the call with the power button. As you can see, this power button you can easily end the call. But first we have to do the setting. Go to the setting and when you go to the accessibility, okay, setting, smart assistant, accessibility, and then there will be a button called power and call. Now we are talking on a call. You just have to press this one like this. You just have to press like this and then the call will end. You just have to press the power button. Suddenly you're attending the call, someone come, beep, the call is end. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.